my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's not only concerning but also incredibly urgent: textile waste. You might not realize it, but the clothes you wear have a significant impact on our planet. Let's talk about why textile waste is becoming a growing problem and what we can do about it. Did you know that the fashion industry is one of the largest polluters globally? From the production of textile to disposal of old clothes, every step of the fashion supply chain contributes to environmental degradation. The rise of fast fashion has only worsened this issue. With the trends changing rapidly and clothes being produced cheaply, consumers are buying more clothes than ever before, leading to a massive increase in textile waste. So, what happens to all those discarded clothes? Unfortunately, the majority end up in landfills or are burned, releasing harmful chemicals and greenhouse gases into the atmosphere.
The best estimate that we have is that for every pound we throw away as a consumer, a business threw away 40 pounds to get us that product. So 40 times greater than residential waste.
Textile waste is a pressing issue because it not only contributes to landfill overflow but also pollutes our air and water. The chemicals used in textile production can leach into the soil, contaminating groundwater sources. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are solutions to this problem. One of the most effective ways to reduce textile waste is through recycling and upcycling. By giving old clothes a new lease on life or recycling them into new products, we can significantly reduce the environmental impact on our fashion choices. Another crucial aspect is supporting sustainable fashion brands that prioritize ethical production practices and use eco-friendly materials. I have a playlist full of videos showcasing ethical brands. You can check them out from the link in the description box. Remember, as consumers, we have the power to drive change. By making conscious decisions about what we buy and how we dispose of our clothes, we can help create a more sustainable future for generations to come. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content on environmental issues and sustainable living. Together, we can make a difference. Thanks for watching.